Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is Mridamsa and you're watching Multi YouTuber. I'm really sorry I missed the last upload, but yeah, I was busy with some other works as well. I'll leave the links to my other pages down below so you can know what I'm up to. But yeah, today is Saturday and it's our time to know what has been happening in the world of tech. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So the first update happens to be about PUBG Mobile India. So PUBG may remain banned in India despite it has, broke off its license with Tencent. Now, looking at the whole scenario, PUBG was in conversation with Jio, and until and unless they, reach a conclusion, it would be very hard to find another partner as well. And on top of that, the government of India asked the Chinese apps, the app developers company, a set of 70 questions, and until unless the government is satisfied with the answer to those questions, the apps will remain banned. And same thing is with PUBG as well. And there were a lot of complaints due to addiction to this multiplayer game in India. So that has been a factor that has been taken into account as well. And now, looking at the whole scenario, PUBG might remain banned for coming time as well, until unless they can convince the government, and along with that find a Indian partner for to lead PUBG Mobile in India. Another update happens to be about Microsoft's Xbox. So Xbox One games you can now stream to your iPhone, which is a great thing because mobile devices have there is a significant rise in development of mobile devices, and a lot of softwares and games have now been mobile first. Are keeping this in mind because all the people on the internet have access to a smartphone device. Now, with this, I think this will bring a lot of people into Xbox One as well, because this can be a appealing feature. You can see the announcement on this Twitter tweet from Tom Warren, and here it is. So you can see that on your screen as well.
Which games are installed, all that sort of stuff. But this is the most important addition: Connect. So I can hit Connect. I'm going to put this into the controller dock that I have here, and what you'll notice once it fully loads up is it's connected to the Xbox One X that's connected that's sitting up on my table there. Basically, this is remote streaming, remote access to your Xbox essentially. I can go in, basically access my console as if it was in front of me. This isn't xCloud, so this will have to connect directly to your Xbox in your home. But yeah, this won't be blocked by Apple or anything like that. It's all sort of approved on their end. It's similar to what was available on the PlayStation as well. They support the remote play as well, so it's kind of a similar feature. But yeah, you could kind of use it to play games if you're in another room and you just want to play from your phone. Pretty neat feature. But yeah, it should be available in the new Xbox app for the iPhone real soon.
And adding to this streaming games directly to your phone, how can we forget cloud gaming? So Google Stadia was already there. Now Amazon has announced Luna Cloud, which will be a rival to Google Stadia. And since cloud gaming platforms have a lot of scope and are quite promising, I think that's a great step by Amazon. But it would be really interesting to see which one will lead, either Google Stadia or Luna Cloud. And Luna Cloud says that at launch there will be 100 games available, and these include Resident Evil 7 and other all games there are. And this is quite exciting. And on top of that, Amazon announced partnership with Ubisoft, which will give subscribers to the channel access to Ubisoft titles in up to 4K resolution. So this is quite interesting because 4K gaming without a dedicated hardware with you. You are just sitting with your mobile device, and that takes away a lot of burden, because you don't need to have a dedicated system for gaming. You can just pay for the subscription and you can enjoy these games. That might not be the case for the competitive players who are into multiplayer games and are into competitive leagues. But other than that, to play the story mode games and other games just to enjoy, I think a lot of people, it would be appealing to a lot of people while we talk about cloud gaming. So definitely excited to see how this field rises, because there is curiosity, there is a lot of buzz about these things, because who wouldn't want to play PC games on their phone? Because it has been a thing for a while. People want to play GTA 5, people want to play other PC games on their Android phones, and to play the AAA games, the top games that are the latest ones on your phone when they release, is definitely exciting. So yeah, definitely looking forward how this turns out. So another update happens to be from Windows XP. So Windows XP's source code has leaked online, which is very interesting. So Microsoft source code for Windows XP and Windows Server 2003 has leaked online. So torrent files for both the operating systems source code have been published on various sharing sites this week, and a lot of sources have confirmed that these files are legitimate. And obviously Microsoft is investigating the matter, but yeah, the source codes are now available online, and that is interesting, I guess. But yeah, this is not the first time that something like this has leaked. At least 1 GB of Windows 10 related source code leaked a few years back. Microsoft has also faced a series of Xbox related source code leaks this year, and a lot of these things. So I think they are investigating, but to be leaking the whole source code for operating system is something I think I would fear if I was using this operating system. So that was it for today's episode of Tech News. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Yeah.